We'll guide you through how to see your YouTube subscriptions list. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and for whatever reason you want to go and get your subscription list, perhaps you want to go and review it. There you're going to go and see all the channels you've gone and subscribed to. So over time on YouTube, you've probably gone and watched lots of different creators and decided to go and subscribe to them to go and be kept up to date with their content. And so now you want to go and see them all. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's this full guide and you'll then be able to go and find out. If you want to, you can go and start unsubscribing from them there or just going and looking at them. It doesn't matter. So to get started, there are different ways you can go about this as well, so make sure it's this full guide. What you want to do is come to the YouTube homepage and you can go over to the left. To go and see this list here, you need to go and press the three lines in the top left to go and expand this side menu like so. Now what you can do is go and find subscriptions and you need to go and click on it. This is going to go and bring you to your subscription feed here, and you're going to go and see videos from people you've gone and subscribed to. Now, if you want to go and see the actual channels and not the videos, what you can do is head to the top right and you can go and press all subscriptions like so, and you're then going to go and see the list. At the top, you can go and choose how it's listed. I could do A to Z, for example. And then what you can do is go and start scrolling down. If you can't see subscriptions to the left here, instead, you can go into an address bar on your browser and type in youtube.com/feed/channels. And then you'll be brought here and hopefully you'll then be able to go and see the list. That's it.